Try to make some quick breakfast. This is an Indian trick. They usually call this panchamrutam, that means 5 ingredients which make into elixir of life. But I think for the level of hunger I have, I'll put more than 5 ingredients and make it better than that. So normally it's 5 ingredients, but I think I put more. Banana, coconut, honey, palm sugar, jaggery, ghee, bit of curd here. I even have some cashew nuts. You like my breakfast? Sorry, that's all I have today until tomorrow. Try to make some quick breakfast. This is an Indian trick. They usually call this panchamrutam, that means 5 ingredients which make into elixir of life. But I think for the level of hunger I have, I'll put more than 5 ingredients and make it better than that. So this is a simple Indian trick. Cutting up the bananas, adding some honey, ghee, curd. Slice the bananas into thin slices. Depending on how you want it, you put it a little mushy, make it really thin, otherwise just like this. It is definitely supposed to be very good for any kind of thyroid balancing. I don't have any thyroid issues. So, thyroid is one thing. There are also some people in Ayurveda saying that it is a good cancer preventive. I've really not looked at it. So, this Indian trick can make a substantial breakfast. I've made this any number of times when I was living on the farm alone. And this kept me going. Local bananas and a few ingredients. Even if you don't have all of them, you can still do it well. Here is some jaggery. This is actually palm sugar, but even regular jaggery will do. Ghee, ghee. I'm not much for this ghee business, so I put little. You can put whatever you want. This is important. Without cardamom, you won't get the necessary flavor. You need to put little cardamom. This is not about how you can go bananas. This is just about a strange situation happened in your life that you're hungry and you are stuck with a bunch of bananas. Here it is. Dinner is with honey because probably till late evening, this is the only meal I'm gonna have because I'm not eating outside. Well, the curd or yogurt is not in its best condition, it's gone a bit sour, but still usable. That's why I add extra honey. Fortunately, these are all Indian tricks. I've lived like this on the farms alone by myself, where my only diet was either groundnut or coconut. So, groundnut or coconut, where if you have a fresh coconut, unbroken, well, you got packaged food. At one time, I have been months on end like this, just soak groundnut and banana. So normally it's 5 ingredients, but I think I put more. Banana, coconut, honey, palm sugar, jaggery, ghee, bit of curd here. I even have some cashew nuts. Here it is, my breakfast, and Today I'm on a technical high, tech high, because I'm using two cameras at the same time. Can you beat this? You like my breakfast? Sorry, this is all I have today. I'm too far away.